perfect, perfect, perfect.
Hello guys, VST here, Velian speaks tech. Hello my brothers and sisters of YouTube. Another unboxing and review video today. This time it is the Sony WH-CH510. So as you can see, it's a pair of wireless headphones. So what we're gonna do first is unbox, see what is inside, and then of course a review of the quality of those great or not great headphones. Now I don't know. What I want to start with is that I bought this one for 30 euro, which I think is a steal, and that's actually the reason for me buying them. I think initially they go on retail up to 70 US dollars. Now in where I live you can get them up to like 45, 47 euro, but I got them actually secondhand from a guy. They were almost not used, and I got them for 30 euro, actually 30 euro, you know, with sending them to me, which I think is a very good price. No matter if those are okay or not so great, we have to see. So let's directly guys unbox them and see what we have. So again, they are not brand new. I buy them used second hand, but yeah, I mean, this is what we poor YouTubers do, right? Or at least in my case. Ah, Jesus. The packaging is really crazy. So let's just put the package here on that right side and let's see what we have inside. So, okay, nothing more there. So apparently we have a booklet. Here we have a USB-C cable, because apparently, you know, they go with the USB-C, and I think those are the headphones themselves, guys. So Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Popping up. Let's see what we have here. Okay. So first thing that I noticed is that this kind of like swivels and rotates, which I'm not sure why. Maybe, you know, if you need to carry them. Seems to be very, very light. Honestly, I kind of like the design, besides the fact that it's all plastic. But let's see what we have here, guys. So here we have the USB-C port. Probably here we have also the microphone. And here we have also the controls. So we have this is switching them on and off. Here we have fast forward, which is also volume down. Here we have burst, which is volume up, or vice versa. And here we don't have anything, and that's pretty much it, guys. This goes like this. So apparently everything is pretty much plastic, right? So you can apparently adjust them if you had like, if you're very smart and you have a big head, and that's for you. Initially I think very, very light, so that's not bad at all. Let's see how light they are. Okay, we have some fancy tricks here, but I have the feeling that they're very, very light. Jesus, 132 grams, guys. I'm not sure if that's on the specification here, but they are apparently very, very, very light. Okay, now in terms of unboxing, guys, I think this is kind of like the experience. Here we have some nice books. Nobody really cares about that. Everything is online anyway. Here we have the box, and I think the headphones themselves. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is pairing them with my phone, you know, kind of like providing you guys the initial overview, then testing the sound quality, testing the call quality, and then I think the comfort. This is pretty much the same that I did some weeks ago when I did test the Soundcore Live P2 by Anker, which I think proved to be one of the best earbuds for the price tag, about like $59–60, guys. So if you didn't check my review on this one, take a look here on the right, it will be there. Very capable headphones if you're looking for a true wireless buds. But okay, just let's turn on the Sony, and I'm gonna be taking my phone and trying to pair it with them. Okay, now I keep holding the power on button. Okay, Bluetooth pairing, cool. I think we nailed it down. All right, so let me just put them on my head. Now I got a message. Bluetooth connected, guys. And what I didn't tell you about those, they apparently should support not only SBC but also AAC codec. So if we go here, gee, I can see HD audio AAC. So they're not only supported like the standard Bluetooth SBC codec, which I had problems with my OnePlus devices and the SBC codec, which actually made me sell my Jabra headphones back in the days. This one is HD audio AAC. So very, very nice. So now I got them on my head and I will try to play some songs, see really how they will perform in terms of quality. So I will go and choose Daft Punk, very heavy bass volume. So let's see. Oh, right. Honestly, I'm not too much impressed with the sound quality, but okay, let's just go here. You know that the OnePlus 7 Pro has an equalizer there. So if we go to sound and vibration, we go to Dolby Atmos here. Let's try to play another Daft Punk song, which is a favorite of mine around the world. Honestly, I don't have a feeling that, I was kind of like really expecting more. Let's just try with that song here. Okay, that's a bit better. Yeah, that's definitely better. Let's just skip to okay, here, okay. Well, not bad at all, guys. Sound is not bad at all. Just keep listening. Now, apparently the volume is not so high on those one. What I can tell from the sound that I've heard, compared especially to those one, but okay, it's not a very good comparison, guys, because these here are, buds and these are over the ear. But I have some other headphones, a little bit more expensive, of course. They do sound okay, and I think that's pretty much, the best thing I can say for them. So it's really very normal, mediocre sound, guys. So don't expect any wonders. It was not so bad. Honestly, I was hyped to get a better quality because, I watched some videos around there and people were just saying, that they deliver. Yeah, okay. I think maybe for 30 euro for the price I paid is quite okay. But if you have to pay like 50 euros or $50 for them, I will definitely stay away. They do claim that they can provide maximum 35 hours and then only with 10-minute charge you can play up to 90 minutes, so that's quite good. They also say swivels for flat and easy portability. Now I understand what they mean. So apparently you can put them like this and you can put them inside, your I'm not sure, maybe not pocket, but inside your bag, and they will not stay like this. All right, but let's also try to test the call quality. It's very strange, guys, because I can hear my own voice through the headphones. That's very strange. That is very strange indeed, guys. I'm not sure about the mic quality, but the call quality seems to be very nice. But it's very strange indeed that I'm able to hear my voice through the headphones, and that was an option also that I had on Jabra Elite, but there you could have actually switched it off. Now I think here it's permanently on. Yeah, it's annoying, but okay, let's see what happens. No, I try to illustrate this on the camera, guys. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but just see the voice that every time I speak. Where's the mic? It's just here. So every time that I speak on the headphones, I'm able also to kind of hear my sound in them, which is not so okay, right? Overall, I think call quality is still pleasant. It's not that bad. So I think especially for headphones that are priced at this amount of money, I think it's quite okay. Now, last but not least, we need to talk comfort. Although they were very light, it's an over-the-ear phone, guys, so I cannot lie to you. I mean, you cannot not notice them, right? So they're not unnoticeable. Once you have them on your head, I mean, you for sure will notice that you have something on the head. But again, they're very light, very easy to transport. I will give them a very nice rating in terms of comfort, maybe 6 out of 10. Honestly, I do still believe that for me, the Go is really a true wireless bud because it's just more cool. Sound is better definitely than those one. But again, if you want to have like a reserved pair of phones and of course you want to enjoy the 35 hours of battery, that should be okay. All right, so now somebody's calling me. Let's try to pick up with the headphones, see what the quality is. Wait a second there. And again, even right now I can hear my voice. Ow.
Сега пак чуваш ли го, сега пак или? Сега чуваш ли? Да. Са по-добре ли? Чакай да кажа сега. Пак ми да. Има. Добре, благодаря ти много за теста, чао сега.
Ciao. That was some Bulgarian speaking right here, but you know what was very annoying is even when I had the headphones from above here and I was doing like this, the microphone seems to be very sensitive. So I'm not sure what Sony did, what kind of sorcery is this, but it seems that this microphone right here, guys, is very sensitive. Although I would say the controls do work quite okay. Not a bad pair of headphones. That's my end review, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will not tell you to subscribe, and I will even not tell you to like the video because you know what to do. VST, enjoy the evening. Over. Bye.